Sir, kaninisan, bali dun sa information na binigay nyo, sabi nyo, yung it's not a penalty yung preventive suspension. Ibig sabihin po nun, sir, paano ba yun?
Ang penalty po, nangyayari after po, mahatulan po sila dito. Tayo po ay magde-deliberate pa. Silipin pa po natin ang mga ebidensya. Pasasagutin pa nga natin pa uli ang mga tao. At maghaharap-harap pa sila. So hindi pa ho nangyayari lahat ng yon. This is just a preventive measure. The preventive suspension is a preventive measure para to preserve the integrity of the investigation.
And then, sir, anong mangyayari kay General Macapas? Dadalhin siya sa krame? Paano po ba? Ano bang pag-hold sa kanya?
Most likely, I cannot second guess the Chief PNP. He most likely will be brought to the holding service or admin holding unit of the Philippine National Police.
Sir, pinatawan ng preventive suspension si General Macapas nang hindi lalagpas ng 90 days. Sir, hindi kaya mas dahil suspended na siya, hindi na siya papasok at pwedeng hindi na rin siya pumunta sa Campo Crame. Hindi ba mas mahirap ito para sa NAPOLCOM na kumbaga ma-reach siya dahil suspended na nga siya, sir? Hindi katulad nung, kunyari, para naka-restrictive custody lang na nasa loob siya ng Campo Crame.
Una, si General Macapas is currently Regional Director of Region 12, di po ba? So, the preventive suspension is actually to bring him to Camp Crame. Pag-issue naman ng preventive suspension, hindi naman nawawala yung pagka-police mo eh. You're still a policeman. It's not a penalty. So, precisely. So, he will be most likely brought to Camp Crame and he will be placed in a holding unit. And he will report there. Report siya.
Sir, kasi ang pagkakaintindi namin sa preventive suspension is pwedeng hindi na siya pumasok kasi suspended siya. Unlike doon sa restrictive custody na nasa loob lang siya ng Campo Crame at magre-report everything.
Una po, yung pong restrictive custody, quote-unquote, ay hindi po kasama sa tools or remedies in the National Police Commission. That may be an order issued by the Philippine National Police. We will not micromanage that kung ano man ang gusto nilang order because they are still policemen, they follow orders. Diba? So that is a concoction of the Philippine National Police. As far as the National Police Commission is concerned, they are preventively suspended. That means they should not be holding any unit. That means they should not be in a line unit. So they report to a holding unit for an admin holding unit kung saan dapat nandoon para hindi ma-impluwensya sa investigasyon.